What's up, guys? You know, we riding today. Back on the road bike. The bike ride way smoother now, bro. Ever since I pumped it up. Yeah, it was kind of like flat. Yeah, the bike ride way smoother, though. The only thing is, I hate these freaking speed bumps. Cause they do be hurting. Dead end. Oh, I should've went through the hospital way, bro. Dang, I should've went through the hospital way. So tomorrow, what we doing? Well, what we doing today is I gotta go to a hardware store. Basically, I gotta find a hard hat and.
Sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, the truck is too damn big.
Yeah, I gotta find a hard hat and a vest. I'm going to do some temp work today. Not today, I mean tomorrow, so. But I ain't gonna need it tomorrow, I don't think. This road's smooth, bro. Yeah, that's what we doing today. I gotta go through a neighborhood. I think it's this neighborhood I gotta go through. Dead iguanas in the street, bro. I don't know if it's this one. Can't remember. Or it's that one. But I kind of like going through the neighborhoods a little bit. Ooh, that's a nice long car. But yeah, I like going through neighborhoods a little bit because people be wilding in Florida. That's why sometimes you see me get back on the bike lane because you see how fast they was going, bro. Like, slow down, bro. You don't need to go that fast, bro. You're not even going nowhere. But yeah, that shit kind of scared me a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna go through it. Sit on the middle right here. And go. Go through here. Get in. Not for me. But yeah, man, if you going fast around me like that, I'm gonna probably get on. You definitely gonna see me get on the sidewalk, and I can't see you behind. You might hit me, bro. Lose control and hit me. Go through here. Ugh. store. Y'all, we at the beach. It's pretty hot today, but it's Florida, a typical thing. But yeah, we at the beach. Now I gotta take my protein drink. I've been riding, so I thought it would take me a long time to get here. It said 18 minutes. I got here before 18 minutes. I didn't even track my time. But it was way before that, honestly. But today is a good day. Let's get back to this riding. Bro. I never been over this side before. This side is completely different. That's some cool behind apartments. Sky. I think you guys can see it. Oh, weren't paying attention. And the beach is right here. Back across the bridge now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Going through that neighborhood, you got a lot of people looking at you. But I get that every day. Most people look at me because I got a camera strapped to my chest. So I get used to it, honestly. My man just staring at her booty. That was funny. That's his wife. Yeah, bro. It'd be funny too, cause like I be having the camera on, and like not a camera, but I be having it on my chest and something like that, and like people be staring. I'm like, bro, I'm not recording you, bro. Why would I record you? You don't have nothing to me for me to record you, bro. especially the women. I'm like, bro, when am I recording you? I just be riding my bike, bro, honestly. Sometimes I go inside the store for something to drink, but yeah, pretty much. Ooh, tired, bro. I'll watch out for these things here.